Swag. Rooted in flavor spread with care. Sweet potato pumpkin spread. We are not just here to sell our product, but to share comfort. Swamp stands for more than sweet potato and pumpkin. It's about warmth, resilience, and the joy of nourishing others. Good day, dear panelists and future leaders. We are Group 6 from 12 UPenn, proudly presenting our product, Swag.
I'm Alexandria Javier and I did the brochure.
I am Hugh Davis Lee and I made the physics part.
I'm Yamsi Florina Di Magno and I contributed the philo part.
I'm Sarah Mediona. I'm the one who made the poster in Inter.
I'm Benjamin Mapay and Pascal.
I'm Giancarlo Sarento. I created the camera.
And I, Andrea Denise Pavilion, I come up with our idea and also I created the teaching presentation.
Swamp spread, rooted in flavor, spread with care, is our way of showing that food can be both nourishing and beautiful. Made from sweet potatoes and pumpkin. It carries the vibrant colors of nature and the comfort of food. Aristotle believed that true beauty is harmony, when something delights the senses and fulfills its purpose. That's exactly what Swami does. It looks inviting, tastes rich, and strengthens the body with real nutrients. It's not just a spread, it's a reminder that beauty is found in balance. In food that is both pleasing and good for us. As young philosophers, entrepreneurs, we bring Aristotle's wisdom into everyday life. We don't chase artificial beauty like processed foods with flashy packaging. Instead, we root our product in care, dignity, and nourishment. Swamp is beautiful because it uplifts, connects people, sustains health, and reflects the harmony between body and soul. Choosing swamp means choosing food that is honest, joyful, and made with love. It proves that true beauty is not surface deep, but found in what helps us grow together.
Swamp spread is a sweet and healthy blend of pumpkin and sweet potato. Crafted to be both budget friendly and nutrition friendly. In just 50 per jar or 2 jar for 90 pesos. It's accessible to students, families, and health-conscious individuals in Taytay Rizal. And beyond through our social media page with its natural orange clothes and creamy texture, swamp is not only good for the body but also visually appealing, making wealthy living joyful and shared. Our research shows that many people managing health concerns like diabetic as well as those on diet struggle to find affordable nutritious options. While other healthy snacks exist, they are often priced too high. Swamp stand out by offering nutrition in a fair price, proving that healthy food don't have to be expensive.
So let's talk about marketing plan. How will we promote our swamp? We will promote our swamp through social media posts, Instagram Reels, TikTok Trends, and Facebook community posts, highlighting affordability and health benefits. Posters and flyers distributed in schools, barangays, and local events to emphasize accessibility. Let's talk about unique selling promotion. Swamp is the essential food choice for those want meals that are budget, 50 per jar, 2 for 90 pesos. Nutrition, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Visually appealing, natural colors, drastic design, aesthetic presentation. Meaningful, created with care, dignity, and exclusivity. Unlike processed bread that only attractive, swamp proves that the true beauty is both beneficial and pleasing to the senses.
Swamp spread. It's more than just a temperature. It's energy, comfort, and care made simple. The calories from sweet potato and pumpkin give strength for everyday activities. While while the carbohydrates fuel the body like a steady fire that keeps us moving. A touch of honey adds natural sweetness, showing that health can still be joyful without relying on refined sugar. Even the small amounts of protein from the vegetable help repair and fix tissues, reminding us that every spoon contributes to growth. The buttermilk provides healthy fats that keep us energized, while a pinch of salt balances the body and brings out flavor. Most importantly, the fiber from sweet potato and pumpkin supports digestion and keep us feeling full. So we're not just eating, we're being nourished. For people managing diabetes, swamp offers natural sweetness with slower digestion, helping regulate blood sugar levels while still enjoying flavor. For those embracing healthy living, its vitamins, antioxidants, and balanced nutrients strength, immunity, sustain energy, and promote wellness. Swamp proves that true beauty in food is found in harmony. Its look inviting, tasteless, comforting, and support both health and joy. It's not just a spread. It's a reminder that nourishment can be affordable, delicious, and deeply human.
To add on what he has discussed, did you know that sweet potato and pumpkin can both support people with diabetes because they are rich in fiber and antioxidant that helps in regulating blood sugar, promotes digestion, and protect against complications, while sweet potatoes provide a moderate glycemic index and filling nutrients, and pumpkin offers a low-calorie, low-carbohydrates option that stabilizes glucose when prepared simply without added sugar.
So in the physics course, swamp spread is crafted with care from fresh sweet potatoes and pumpkins, chosen for their natural sweetness and the vibrant color. Then washed, peeled, and prepared with attention to cleanliness. The vegetables are gently boiled, mashed into a smooth base and blended with honey, buttermilk, and a touch of salt to create a rich, comforting texture. Poured into clear glass of jar, and that highlights its golden glow, sealed with ribbed lids and labeled to tell its story. Each jar is inspected and polished before reaching the community. From the ingredient selection to final presentation, every step reflects a commitment to health, beauty, and dignity, ensuring that each spoonful delivers nourishment and energy and joy.
Studying the pricing of swamp spread, we learn how mathematics can guide smart business decisions. Our demand research showed that if the spread were free, as many as 200 people would want it. But at a high price of 60, no one would buy it. With a unit cost of 45, selling at the same price cover expenses without a profit, making it a good entry point for building trust and accessibility. Using calculus, however, we discovered that the profit maximizing price is 50. At this level, demand balances with affordability, allowing us to sell around 100 jars and earn about 500 profit per cycle. This result teaches us that pricing is not just about numbers. It's about harmony between community and sustainability. At 40, swamp is a break-even choice that makes healthy food accessible to more people, while at 50, it becomes a sustainable business that can grow. The lesson is clear. True success lies in finding the balance where customers feel cared for the business thrives. In practice, this means we should sell swamp spread.
We believe in food that feels like home. That's why we say, rooted in flavor, spread with care. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you so much. So I have a question first with Javier. So my question for you is aside from social media posts, what are the other things that you can share your product?
stick on the jar of waste blender. That's why it can be smooth enough to be attached.
Thank you so much. Next one. For Macho. May I know if you're going to use old jars or you're going to provide
We want to create for creativity to enhance or to boost our product work and make it more creative than that simple jar that we
Thank you so much. Sorry, follow-up question. So, what are the information you're going to put on the jar?
Aside from the manufacturer, the inspiration is for the customer to know if when is it manufactured and when would it be expired.
Next one, with Leona. My question for you is, you've been, actually, I think it was from you, who mentioned that war, resilience, and such is your somehow goal to be felt with your product. So how can the customer reveal that? Or how can customer experience of your product? Pavilion mentioned earlier that your group wanted to see or to feel war and resilience from your product or from your spread. So now I'm asking is how can buyers or consumers can feel or see that the resilience and war and joy. Next one, Nanito Gina. So my question for you is, can you again share to us what is the process of creating this brand?
The first thing, the sweet potato is much. We call it together. After that, we have this blender it together. The sweet potato is much. Then after that, step three, we mix all together the ingredients together with salt, butter, and butter.
So may I know if you're going to add some improvement? Some loophole.
So that our customer
Milk tea. Let's wait, like milk. Oh, we're going to mix it with a sponge. Have you experienced the Yolanda by eating sponge? No, with the thank you so much. Next one, Benji. So, how long is the travel life of your product? Travel life of your product? Since it's a spread. How long can it stay with you? Good, okay. 1 week. No, I mean, after opening it and using it, how long can it stay? 2 days. But since the jar is a little bigger, isn't it a little expensive if you're going to buy that and you have to consume it?
I will promote our products to public so that our product will go expand to another countries or another places.
It's creamy, but it's not cheap because you can still taste the taste of sweet potato and
So, do you think we need to improve the taste or just the taste?
it depends. It depends on who our customers is, but we're targeting on people who have diabetes and young adults, which eat it and abroad.
So, are you planning to make another level of business? Kasi, what if I am a kid? Mahilig sa sweets. Since hindi siya, yes, sweet, mahilig siya sweet. So,
We can make other flavors, but we will not.
pero what about the taste? Are you going to make another one na medyo sweeter?
Make another one.
Kasi ingredients are really sweet. Yung, is yun, can you explain again what is, why do you serve the word swamp? Because, we only use sweet potato and squash. So, paano ay swamp? Swamp because, like, sweet potato is something that promote wellness through affordability. So, parang pinagsama lang po namin yung mga if you're going to buy this, ito yung unique package. What can you say to the package? Overall, from the front up to the back part. So what will you recommend to those?
Mapalaki ko para makita mo.
Kasi it's parang learning one of information. And it's really important for sa exam. Thank you so much. Sir, is this bread is for only for bread? Na-taste ko na siya. For you. Aside from bread, saan siyang full bread? Biscuits, what about mga other in terms of chickens? Kasi nga, medyo creamy. So, it is recommended for biscuit and bread. It's from New York. So, what makes your spread from other? First of all, when we
There's no existing spread like that.